Well, sometimes life throws you a curveball, and in our hobby world, it's really no exception. If you guys haven't noticed, my studio is looking way different than it did, and if my audio is sounding a little bit more boomy than usual, that's because we found out pretty recently that we're gonna be unexpectedly moving for our jobs, and so that means that my whole YouTube studio had to come down and get the house ready for showing. Now this is really, really disruptive for the active hobbyist, especially one who's trying to run a YouTube channel, which is why I haven't uploaded quite as often as I had been over the last week or so. But now, thankfully, I have got the perfect solution. My buddies over at Monument Hobbies sent over the Go Bag Evo. Now I do want to make it abundantly clear for those of you that haven't followed my previous channel, I've spent over 6 years of my life being a YouTube product reviewer. I did receive this Go Bag Evo for free from Monument Hobbies, but I want to make it abundantly clear to all of you that my integrity is not for sale and does not affect the review of this product in any way. So with that, let's check it out. This is going to completely solve all of my problems. And whether you're somebody who is just wanting a really good comprehensive solution for going to a paint night at your local hobby store, or you're like me who needs an emergency mobile paint studio to be able to pack up at a moment's notice for showing your house, this thing is a serious beast when it comes to a mobile painting kit. So let's just do a quick tour and check it out. So look, the first thing you notice when you take a look at this thing is it's pretty sizable bag. The front has got this nice hard shell to it that's gonna protect everything that's inside. This is the compartment where our paints and brushes and palettes and things are gonna go. We're gonna look at that one here in just a second, but I wanna just tour kind of the outside of the bag before we get there. So on the other side, on the back here, we've got this big soft loot area so you can Velcro anything on there like patches or whatever you want to put. You got a little area here to just put a little name tag, which is cool. And then on the sides, we've also got some loops. So if you want to slide stuff in there, whatever you need to do. And it does come with a little strap. So as this thing does get pretty heavy, if you want to wear it over your shoulder, you've got a little strap here that you can pop on. If we open it up and look at this large compartment in the back, you got plenty of space. Now I've got, what they recommend here is these lights, and I'll put links to them so if you want to check them out on Amazon. Little portable hobby lights. They're about 20-25 bucks on Amazon, so you could easily fit 2 of them in here. I've already got one fully assembled over here as well so that I could kind of show how it goes, but I wanted to at least leave one in here to show you guys how much space there really is. And these work absolutely great. Having a pair of these in combination with the Go Bag Evo is like a perfect mobile hobby solution. Also, we got this little soft area here, so I'm keeping things like extra sponges for my wet palette, extra palette paper, little hard palettes for mixing up washes and stuff like that. But really, even with all this stuff and the 2 lights, there's still plenty of space. And even when I go to close it, like there's no bulging of the bag, or like I'm not forcing this thing closed. So it's really nice that there's plenty of space. You could fit even, like looking over here, if I wanted to, we're trying to reach around this bag. If I wanted to throw my Vortexer in here, I could also do that too. If I want to not shake paints on hobby night, boom, Vortexer's in there and we are good to go. Now let's check out the actual really fun and exciting part of this thing. We'll open up the front. And I love how this thing just opens up. I'm trying to make sure I keep it all on the camera here. But we've got enough space. Now I own the entire Pro Acryl range that's out right now, including the 2 new signature sets from Vinci V and from Ninjon, as well as the transparents, the metallics, all of it. And I've got enough space to fit all of these paints in the bag, as well as a handful of my favorite army painter washes that I like to use pretty regularly. And I also like, you got this little section underneath here. So again, you could use this to hold additional paints. It's a perfect height to hold like GW pots or contrast paints. They also have little loops down here. So if you want to just put your bigger bottles from Pro Acryl, like your Glaze mediums or your primers, they fit down there just fine. And then you've got these 2 little wings that fold out. And this is really what kind of creates the mobile hobby station. It's so big that I have to clear space on my desk to show it to you guys. And I'm literally struggling. Guys. I'm in the middle of a move. Cut me some slack. Check this out. Now, it doesn't come with the cutting mat, but you can pick one of these up on their website as well. I'll have links to all this stuff if y'all want to check it out. You just slide it in here, and so you've got your cutting mat, You got a couple of little grooves here in the front for holding your brushes while you're in the middle of projects or hard palettes or things like that, as well as another big cutout up top, again, storing brushes and stuff like that. But what I really, really like is that you've got a couple of areas here. So let's say you want to put your glaze medium up here, it's not going to fall over. Let's say you're picking out your pots. These are perfectly sized to fit paint bottles from Pro Acryl, so you could just have the colors that you're actively using pretty regularly and slot them into these little areas. And so that makes such a convenient workspace, not having to worry about stuff just being all over. And we got these little elastic loops, so this is perfect for holding on to your wet palette and packing it up that way. And then again, on the other side, if you have like a brush vault or something like that to protect your brushes. I don't actually own a brush vault right now, so I don't really have anything I can slot in here, but perfect place to put something to keep your brushes nice and safe. And then when it's time to go and you gotta get going, you just slide everything back in the bag, pop your wet palette back in, and it's as easy as just folding up the wings and boom, close the bag and you are good to go. And to me, just having a solution like this where that's it, your whole paint station is clean, it's put away, you can hold plenty of tools, paints, brushes, washes, vortex mixers, your lighting solutions, literally everything you need in this bag. It will hold, deploy out in a matter of a minute or two. You could get painting, and then when it's time to pack up and leave, again, it just takes another minute or two to do so. And for me personally right now, again, with getting our house ready to put on the market and show, and you have people calling you and saying, hey, we want to show the house, you've got like maybe an hour to frantically pack up and clean the house before you show it. Having something like this makes it so that I can still create videos for you guys, but also have access to everything that I need and be able to get rid of it and hide it at a moment's notice. So it's just been absolutely perfect. Now, if you want to pick one of these up, they are a little bit expensive. They run about $195 on Monument Hobbies website. If you want to pick it up at a bit of a discount, you can use code CCH10 to get a little bit of a discount here from me at Crash Course Hobbies. You can also use that to get a discount on paints, brushes, and everything else to go with the Go Bag Evo as well.
Let's find that glue. Whoa! What are you doing in here, you little sneak? You know what? That's not even important right now. We got bigger things to talk about. 93% of you guys haven't subscribed yet, so what are you waiting for? I'll make you a deal. You subscribe, and I'll let you out.
Now again, this, because it is a little bit expensive, it is a more premium solution to your mobile paint studio. Can you get a cheaper way to do this? Absolutely. I mean, you could throw everything in a backpack. You could put your paints in a box. There's lots of ways. Obviously, this is going to be a much more premium kind of solution. So if there's areas in your hobby setup, like things that you really need, whether it's models, airbrush, better brushes, or just more paints in general, you know, this is definitely a purchase that you should probably make later in your hobby journey, unless you're like me and you have a unique situation where you find yourself going to your friend's house on a regular basis to hang out and paint, or you like to go to a community paint night and hang out with your friends and paint your minis, then something like this is going to be worth its weight in gold. And as somebody who spent a whole YouTube career before getting into the hobby space as a product reviewer, I can tell you that to me, this is one of the highest quality and just overall fantastic hobby products that I've tried yet. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I've mentioned several times on this channel that Monument Hobbies is my favorite hobby brand, whether it's Pro Acryl paints or their tools or brushes. I'm just a big fan of all their stuff. I think it's really high quality and I really enjoy using it. So if you guys want to get 10% off of their paints, tools, the Go Bag Evo, you can use code CCH10 at checkout and help support my channel as well. But anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support your local game stores. And as always, I will see you in the next one.